fellow Toastmasters, and most welcome guests. If you have played basketball, could you raise your hand? Wow, it's a very popular here too. So if you play the game, you would know getting more rebounds is more important to win the game. Here's my question. Who gets more rebounds? Suppose we have 3 players, player A, B, and C. Player A is 6 feet 10 inches high, and player B, even taller, is 7, 6, 11. Who gets more rebounds? What's your answer?
Probably.
Yeah, so maybe you're hesitating which one. There's another one, player C is even taller. 7, 6. Who gets more rebounds? What's your answer?
B.
B or C?
C.
Are you sure? Yeah, so basically I think most people think the rank for the rebounds from high to low would be player C, B, A. Is that right?
Yes.
So let's go back to the real world. Actually, player A, B, C are NBA players. Let's check out. Player A, I believe most of you would know him, is Toronto Raptors, Chris Bosh. Safety number 4 is 7'10". The rebounds for 2008 is 8.7 rebounds per game. Let's check out player B. Player B is Dwight Howard. Is 6'11", rebounds is 14.2. Remind this number. How about check number 3? Player C. Can you guess who is this player?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, you got it. Let's show the picture here. Actually, this is Yao. Maybe the real height should be higher. It should high there. Too high, even higher. So he got rebounds 10.8. So from these 3 players, you can tell their rank from high to low is not player C, B, A. It's actually from the high to low is B, C, A. So we wonder what are the factors which influence a player get more rebounds. So I was wondering for a long time. I couldn't get a good answer until I worked on a statistics project at Ryerson last year. Finally, I got a result. At the beginning of the project, I identified the factors would influence to get more rebounds. So I selected 8 factors. This include the player's height, the minutes played per game, the blocks per game, the points per game, the player's age, weight, and the years being an NBA player, or the conference to which they belong to. So fortunately, the NBA website lists all the figures for this one. So I selected the figure for the rebounds for the top 200 players. And I selected 1 out of 5, got 40 players data. Then I collected all the other factors, like their height, their years of being professional players. Together, I got my project data. That's these 40 players, all the figures here. This is beginning my project. Is 40 players, 8 factors. So after I get this project data, next step I will do analysis. Actually, there is a program called SPSS. It's good product to predict any figures. You can analysis, do any test here. We call it F-test, T-test, regression, scatter plot. Maybe most of you new to you. Let me explain the most simple one to you. That's called scatter plots. Here's the one they will show everything here. This is a rebounds versus height. From the right side is taller, from the top one is got more rebounds. So in order to demonstrate this, I will show you on my chart here. It's easy to show you what's going on there. This is called scatter plots. So we got their height, we got their rebounds. So this 40 toss represent the 40 players. You can say taller, this is taller players, intend to get more rebounds. But however, their example, 1, 2, 3, 4, get the same height, but the rebounds from 2 to 5. You can say 2 to 5 is a big difference in NBA professional. That means the player with 5 rebounds could earn 1 million more than the player with 2 rebounds. So after that, I did an illustration here, and I also did analyze. We just try to find the equation to demonstrate which factor will influence the result. Then finally, I got the equation we called model here. So some factors are deleted from here because they're not important. So this is the equation. So once you got the players, their figures, you just replace those x, you will got E1, means rebounds for next season. So this is quite useful when NBA team recruiting a new player or training a player. Also can be used in the high school basketball teams. There's another use. This method to forecast is called regression. It's widely used in the business sector, government, or other organizations. So if you are interested in this part, you may try to use this in your own business or your company. Fellow Toastmasters and guests.